Yo, hey guys, what's up? This is Yadavir Singh, and today we're gonna dissect some video scenes from Bollywood movies, which most of the guys see, and I don't know what the fuck do they see in these movies, but whatever it is, we're gonna dissect it and see if what they do in the movies, if you do it in real life, is it gonna happen or not. And with me today, I have my brother Karan and this Meher, Sukh Meherosh, I must say. Follow them on Instagram, you can see the link down. And now we're gonna just react to it. Let's just start.
वीर हाय जनार्दन जे फॉर शॉर्ट बात करनी है
किस बारे में?
एक्चुअली तू ना बड़ी कूल लगती है मुझे ये कहना था और हॉट भी कितनी है तू कमाल कॉम्बो है ना हॉट कूल सेम टाइम
Anything else?
हाँ आई लव यू गर्लफ्रेंड बन जा मेरी
तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि ये लोग हंस रहे हैं तुम पर?
सिर्फ तू देख रही है मुझे
Oh man.
मैं दिख रही हूँ, राइट? तो गौर से देखो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. Bugger off.
तू और मैं रॉक कर देंगे बता रहा हूँ सोच के देख
Hey, are you stupid?
नो ओनली क्रेजी फॉर यू बेबी
Oh man.
Okay, enough. Just get lost now.
Crazy or what?
Am I sure? एक सेकंड, सोचने दो मुझे. हाँ, मैं श्योर हूँ, you idiot. निकलो यहाँ से.
तू मेरा दिल तोड़ रही है हीर
सुनो
मेरा
तो.
दिल तोड़ रही है.
दोबारा शक्ल मत दिखाना, सुन रहे हो?
पक्का श्योर
Bugger off.
ओके ओके
Man, this is hugely uncalibrated. Fucking uncalibrated. Do you think this should happen in real life? Like,
This doesn't happen in real life.
should this happen in real life?
No.
Suppose
it
you're
should
sitting with
not.
your friends like,
Sorry.
hey, hi, I'm
Sorry.
crazy for you, baby.
It actually doesn't happen, but if it happens, like it's going to be one humiliating situation.
And every girl would like to
How
escape
would I
this
react?
situation.
I mean, I would, if I was in the situation, I would just walk away, or
You won't say bugger off, bitch.
Yeah,
you
you
just
won't say
go away.
bugger off.
I
You're a
would
bitch and
basically
just
take my
go.
friends like with me and say something mean
Yeah.
for the person to go away.
Okay. Never do this. It's hugely uncalibrated. Fuck it, man.
It's very bad.
Let's see the next. ये जवानी है दीवानी.
पानी
That's it.
Yeah.
What a nice way to. Bunny.
अब तुम्हें भी उठाना पड़ेगा क्या अबे चश्मिश क्या कैलकुलेट करी है चल है ना गणपति जी क्या करेंगे तुम्हारे बिना मनाली में
मैं पहले ऐसे अकेली कहीं नहीं गई हूँ.
तो अब चल कुछ नहीं होगा बहुत मजा आएगा ट्रस्ट में चल
तुम मेरा पीछा तो नहीं कर रहे?
Shut up, Aditi. उसकी तो फैंटेसी है कि दुनिया की सारी लड़कियां उसका पीछा करें. हम लोग के लिए.
Oh man.
याद है तुझे टॉस करते थे हम कि टॉपर नैना के पीछे कौन बैठेगा? और अगर जो भी टॉस जीत गया ना समझो एग्जाम में पास. ए नैना खाओ ना. खाओ.
Hey guys. Sexy. Knife है?
हाँ है ना? है. एक सेकंड. पता नहीं कहाँ मर गई.
नहीं है. Sorry. Bananas लाने थे.
मेरे पास है चोरी।
दो मुझे।
बदले में मुझे क्या मिलेगा?
क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
तुम्हारा नाम।
Lara.
बनी, you know like Bugs Bunny?
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Hi, I'm Avi.
Hi. तुम लोग भी मनाली ट्रैकिंग ट्रिप पे जा रहे हो?
अगर तुम जा रही हो तो हम कहीं और कैसे जा सकते हैं? और डालेंगे फलवल से क्या होगा? हाँ लंच करें?
हाँ हमारे पास हैम एंड चीज सैंडविचेस भी हैं।
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm very sure. बांटने से प्यार बढ़ता है।
Okay. मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को बुलाती हूँ। प्रीति, ईशा।
उसके फ्रेंड्स भी है ब्रो।
तेरे बाप के सैंडविचेस हैं क्या?
This is something really amazing, man. You know, this is something bold approach, and how he was looking into Deepika's eyes, and he's actually, you know, really vulnerable in the situation. Like he's going and talking to those girls in front of everyone, but he's like so sure about it. Like I want to go and talk. So like he's not like people are looking at me and that girl is standing over there. He's very bold in his action. Like he just jumped in front of that girl. Hi, I have the knife and just.
Yeah,
take
the
it.
knife situation was still okay, but I would have boarded the train if I was in that situation.
Yeah, obviously.
Because you talk about all that earlier, not
is-
on the railway station.
This is not something realistic. I don't think.
not realistic.
Yeah, it's
It's
not.
not DDL.
It's not going to happen like this. But movies, you know, it shows us how easy it is. But when you do something like this, and you're like, you don't get what you expect.
Yeah, when you've spent all the ticket
Yeah.
on the railway car and
Yeah.
then
On a sleeper class,
see,
on a sleeper
and
class.
you see the train
Yeah.
going, you do board it. You don't think that time that you're going
You know,
to Manali
the
or
thing is
not.
that movies only show that you're going to do this and you're going to succeed, bro. But they don't show that the times when they get rejected by women like this. They only show the things like she just came and this happened. So they give expectations, and when you do it, and when you get rejected, like what the fuck, movies, my whole life was a lie. Okay, yeah.
If you watch movies.
Yeah.
Let's
We
see
all
next. Let's see next. Next one is really going
Oh
to be
man,
amazing. You know?
Shahrukh, my
I already
This-
have my reaction on that.
Shahrukh, my.
कमाल। फेसबुक से खबर मिली, दो चीजें बदल चुकी। तुम्हारी दीवारों का रंग, इसमें तुम्हारे दिल का पता।
अयान, ताहिर,
फैंटास्टिक वर्क सर।
सर रियली सर, इज्जत भी दे रहे हो और उम्र भी याद दिला रहे हो। बाय द वे, ये तुम्हें मैम तो नहीं बुला दूंगा।
you think?
आई डोंट नो। तो तुम हो जिसने इनकी रातों की नींद उड़ा दी।
हाँ, मैं इन्हें सोने नहीं दे रहा।
ऐसा तो मत करो यार, थोड़ा तो सोने दो।
ऐसा तो कभी
वरना मैं
नहीं
इनके
होगा।
ख्यालों में कैसे आता हूँ?
This situation is more like, you know, okay, so this is his ex-wife, and she is with her boyfriend now.
With her boyfriend.
So it's like both of them know her.
Yeah.
And it's like great situation. It's like two alpha males, okay, two leaders of a tribe talking to each other, and she was with him,
This
but
kind
she's
of a talk does not happen.
It won't happen like
Either
this.
fist talking or the legs
Yeah.
talking.
The girl would like to escape.
The girl would never get into such a situation.
Oh my
would
God.
never love to get into such a situation.
She'll be like, oh my
Not
god,
even like
baby, my ex is here, let's just run.
Yeah, it's not possible in real life.
Still, let's just
Or
see
even
how they
it's
handle it.
possible, but it's not acceptable.
Yeah.
अब तो बिल्कुल सोने नहीं दूंगा।
I can't see that.
Change of topic.
Never seen it.
और वैसे तुम्हारे ख्वाब तो कामिल हो चुके हैं. Your new work is very interesting.
Actually, fantastic. महबूबा की बाहों से छुट्टी क्या मिली? हाथों को काम आ गए।
I'm sorry, लेकिन आप ये लाइन्स रटते आते हैं।
नहीं, नेचुरली अंदर से डलती हैं।
चलना छुट्टी।
कोई तुम्हारे लिए रट रहा होता है।
डरे हुए अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं। हमारी कहानी बदल गई, खौफ नहीं बदला।
कहानी क्यों बदली? If I may ask.
You must. उन्हीं से पूछो जिन्हें तुम रातों को सोने नहीं देते।
रिश्तों की गीली जमीन पर लोग अक्सर फिसल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
He's Shah Rukh Khan. Okay.
What the fuck is this?
And only Shah Rukh
Chunki
Khan
Rai.
can do this.
Yeah, he
And only in front of camera.
can carry the sound.
Nafrat.
नफरत करता हूँ मैं तुमसे एक्चुअली
He's so
ये
chill.
लाइन तो हटी हुई है.
So chill.
इतनी नफरत इतनी जल्दी
पहले तो
नहीं इसी वक्त है और तुमसे नफरत करना जायज भी क्योंकि आज भी मैं सबा से बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करता हूँ
मैंने तुम्हारी मोहब्बत देख ली अब तुम भी मेरी दोस्ती आजमा के देख लो
आसान है क्या
क्या
ऐसी मोहब्बत करना जिसके बदले मोहब्बत ना मिले
It's the most beautiful feeling in the world.
कमजोरी नहीं लगती आपको
बिल्कुल नहीं एक तरफा प्यार की ताकत ही कुछ और होती और रिश्तों की तरह तो लोगों में नहीं पड़ती सिर्फ मेरा हक है इस पे सिर्फ मेरा मुझे सबा से बेइंतहा मोहब्बत करने के लिए सबा की ही जरूरत नहीं हो सकता है इससे कोई बेहतर इश्क अगर बाजी इश्क की बाजी है तो जो चाहे लगा लो डर कैसे अगर जीत गए तो क्या कहना अगर हारे भी तो बाजी मात नहीं
See,
He would have
the
married
thing
Shah
with
Rukh.
Shah Rukh, the thing with Shah Rukh
Yeah.
is that what
Now-
was going on? What was going on? See, if he feels like this, then he doesn't have to show up in front of them and tell in front of them like,
Yeah.
see,
Obviously, he's trying to win her girl back.
yeah,
I'm telling you.
and that is a very
And that's-
needy behavior.
Yeah, and that actually doesn't really happen.
The words were actually good.
Yeah.
The words were actually good. It might have happened.
Maybe the girl also wanted to get back somewhere because she went to his
yeah.
art exhibition. You know,
Hmm.
there must be a need of getting attention. Maybe a need of getting an apology. Maybe.
But this won't happen.
Yeah, but it
No,
does happen.
It does happen.
It does happen.
A guy comes back, your ex
Maybe
comes back and
even
starts
if your
justifying.
ex comes back or tries sending
When you're with your
feelers,
boyfriend.
you know?
When you're with your
No,
boyfriend.
no, not that. I mean, even girls do that. You
Yeah,
know,
they
we
do that.
we try to create such a situation where our ex will come back. Sometimes.
How manipulative. let's
Guys
How-
do that too.
How
Yeah,
how
everyone does that.
Shakuni guys.
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Oh my god.
How you doing?
That is some crazy
That's me.
opening.
Like that's
Nice to meet you.
very nice.
You.
आपको कौन नहीं जानता सारा जी?
Não sei o que é que estás a dizer, mas pronto, pode ser também.
Global supermodel Sara Sampaio, dosto, my honor, my
Bollywood
privilege.
superstar Ranveer.
Namaste. That's the first thing I'd like to teach
Good
you.
eye contact.
I'll just
Join your hands.
Okay.
Namaste.
Girls should also compliment guys.
One thing more, how he is leading the interaction.
Yeah.
Like she's reacting to whatever he's the one leading the interaction. So you have to do this, you have to say
But then
namaste.
girls also need to, you know, when you're on a date or something, you
Yeah.
need to compliment the guy.
Yeah.
Because he has also taken all his
Yeah.
time
And all
putting
his-
that XDO
Yeah.
and, you know, doing all those shit. So if you have taken time to get ready, do compliment guys. Do
That's some
all
high
that.
self-esteem behavior.
Yeah, and that's gonna make your points. Trust me.
Let's see.
You have learned how to greet Indians all over the world. Now, when you meet any Indian person,
Okay.
what do?
Namaste.
Wow! They'll feel like, wow, kitni sushil ladki hai. So well mannered. You, I believe, would like to travel to Bharat.
I would like to
India?
travel to Bharat.
Yes?
Yes. I've never been, so I really like to go.
Same. I want to go to Portugal. Portugal.
Never been?
I've never been.
You have to.
What are the places that you would like to visit when you come to India?
I love to see Taj Mahal.
Of course. Are you going to be cheesy?
I'm just going to be
Please,
as tourist and
please tell me you will be cheesy and take that.
He's so subtle with
Yeah.
the touching and all. He's engaging her logically with words and
But then you have to be subtle with it.
Yeah.
Like, you don't have to rush in it
Yeah.
because it's really repelling.
She has to know that it's just happening.
It's just happening, or maybe it's better if she advances.
Yeah.
because-
It's better.
yeah, it's always better.
Photo.
Absolutely.
Is this? Are you getting this? Am I holding the top of the? Let's practice. Am I holding the top of the star? Probably not. I'm way off.
You know what? When I travel, I am as much as a tourist like I possibly can because you have to. Ay, ay.
My friend.
All right, it's my turn to teach you
Yes,
stuff.
of course.
All right.
Come on.
So, I usually only teach bad things, so I have to be a
Bad
little bit more
things.
PG-13 here.
Little more PG-13. Please teach me the cuss words.
Okay, I'll teach you one. It's very famous in the north, so where I'm from. So if someone is like annoying and being rude to you, you just say "Va po caralho."
Va po caralho.
Exactly.
Va po caralho.
Exact.
Va po caralho.
Va po caralho.
Can we practice this 5 times? Va
Va po caralho.
Va po caralho. Not with so much happiness, I'm sure. Va po caralho. 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 I'm set. Va po caralho.
You have actually a really good accent.
Telling you, babe.
He knows how to accept compliments. Most guys don't know how to take
Because she's
compliments.
already impressed with
Yeah.
her.
Yeah.
And actually,
Like if
it's
she's
not like,
already impressed with you, then just like. give
and
compliments.
it doesn't even look like he's trying to impress her. It's like it's just going on.
It's just happening.
It's like a dream.
It's happening.
In my last life, I was a Portuguese stud.
It's possible.
How do you say bro?
For bro, it really depends where you are in the country. You can say something like manu, which is like calling
I like
someone
cute.
like manu also
Chote,
means
like little bro.
Little bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Manu. Manu.
Yeah.
Manu.
It's like brother, but yeah.
Now I'll teach you when you come to my hometown, my hood,
Okay.
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
You have to say, "Kya bolte bantai?"
Kiapo.
If you can master this, they feel like
Okay,
you're one of
say
them.
it again.
Kya bolte is what's up.
Kya bolte.
Kya bolte bantai?
Kya bolte bantai.
Like, yeah. Say it to camera.
Kya bolte.
And do it like with a little bit of
Say it
swag.
again.
Kya bolte bantai?
Kya bolte bantai.
Yes!
That was amazing.
That was pure gold.
Good eye contact.
Yeah.
Very subtle
Yeah,
touching.
that was good.
Ranveer Singh knows the game.
Yeah.
He knows the game. On
Okay.
and off.
Next thing is it's Imran Hashmi
Oh man.
from the movie
yeah,
Murder.
He's a gangster.
And there's
man.
Mallika Sherawat. I like the swag of Imran Hashmi, how he carries himself and how he delivers his dialogues. Let's just see that. How, without any hesitation, he just stood close to her.
Yeah.
And he's showing that it's not a problem with him, that he can stand close to women and it's not a problem. There's no hesitation in his body language. So she's also just standing there. Otherwise, women step back. They step back.
They do. If like confidence is the key. Like if somebody comes up to me and stands and behaves weirdly or awkwardly, I'm gonna feel awkward about
Yeah.
it. I'm gonna step back. If somebody comes and say confidently, so I'll think, अच्छा इतनी confidence से आया है,
Yeah.
भाई कुछ तो बात करनी होगी. Let's see what he has to say.
Let's see what he has to say now.
That's what happened.
बॉम्बे की बारिश नहीं है ये 1-1.5 घंटे तक नहीं रुकेगी। मैं वहां 2nd फ्लोर पे हूँ। यहाँ खड़े रहने से अच्छा ऊपर आके इंतजार कर लो।
मुझे देर हो रही है। थैंक्स।
Some time to digest that kind of a thing.
Yeah.
ओके
She's like, I have to go and he's like, okay.
Yeah.
Now he look back. He's like,
मन सोच रही होगी पलट तो पलट लो ना।
normally he's saying nice to meet you.
Yeah.
if?
What if?
बारिश की वो बूंदें अचानक ऐसी लगने लगी जैसे आसमान से पानी नहीं आग बरसने लगी।
Because Archie is curious. अगर वो सारा कुछ ही बता के चला जाए तो वो
खुद ब खुद कदम उसी तरफ चल पड़े। दिल अपनी आखिरी धड़कन तक क्या कर बैठे, कोई कह सकता है भला?
She came.
Oh, on the
She didn't even knock.
Yeah, on the second floor. और साड़ी भीगी है मैम, like you already opened the room, like see.
अब ये नियति नहीं तो और क्या थी? हाँ, डेस्टिनी ही तो होती है जब आप भटकते हुए किसी ऐसे रास्ते पर पहुंच जाए जिसे हमने नहीं चुना,
तो मतलब टोटल
बल्कि खुद ब खुद वो रास्ता हम तक पहुंच गया।
She's so
And he knows.
confident.
And he knows. She's here.
No, she's gonna come.
Yeah, man.
Some confidence.
म्यूजिक का शौक अभी भी वैसा ही है तुम्हारा?
वैसा तो कुछ नहीं रहा। हाँ, पहले से ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है म्यूजिक। आजकल यही है अपनी लाइफ में, तन्हाई काटने का औजार और पैसे कमाने का जरिया।
Oh man. All of the movies we have seen till now, whatever is shown, it's never gonna happen. Those kind of situations are never gonna happen, but the behavior of those guys, it was amazing. Like in the last, this Imran Hashmi, you know, you can see him looking at her eyes, then her lips, then her eyes, then her lips. Even now, he's looking at her lips.
Kind of better if you look into the eyes only, for the starters.
But if you're standing this close to the girl and she's already accepted your invitation,
Yeah, in that situation, maybe that could help, but
so the things that are shown in this, I don't think you have to do this.
do not try at home.
These mindsets are not good.
You should try it
Don't
out
try
outside.
this. Don't try this. Instead, take a boot camp and learn.
Yeah.
The game. So it was really amazing looking at these videos. Fucked up actually. Videos which should never happen.
And natural stuff.
Natural stuff.
Movies of fantasy.
So follow us on Instagram, Yaduveer, Karanveer, and Meher. And I'm gonna come back again next time. So as always, until next time,
Until next
my
time.
friends.